Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have shared a magical hair pack. If you're suffering from severe hair fall, hair thinning, dryness, bald patches, both men and women can use this hair pack. Very effective and easy to make, and if you want to know how I do it, please keep on watching. And before that, please click the subscribe button, turn the red button grey and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified of my further videos. I make hair care, skincare, DIY makeup and lot of fun, so stay connected. Without further blabbering, now let's start. First ingredient that you will need is hibiscus flower powder. I'm using Herbland hibiscus flower powder. This one is free from paraben and preservative. If you have hibiscus flower at home, you can use it, or you can just dry it in the sun, make a powder and store it and use whenever you want. Hibiscus is rich in nutrients such as amino acid, which are building blocks for our hair. These flowers are capable of stimulating hair growth even from dormant follicle and bald patches. It also makes your hair dark and makes your hair grow stronger. If you are experiencing hair fall, you definitely have to try this. You will need 2 tablespoons if you have long hair, and if you have medium or short hair, 1 or 1.5 is more than enough. Second ingredient is amla powder. I'm using ALPS Goodness Amla powder, which I bought from purple.com. Amla contains essential fatty acids that penetrates into the follicles, making the hair softer, shinier and voluminous. It also stimulates hair growth. It is rich in iron and keratin, so it helps to grow back your hair, and if you are experiencing hair fall, it helps to control the hair fall. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of this amla powder. And lastly, I'm using my neem and curry leaf oil that I prepared. I've given the link of this recipe either in the description or here above in the card, so that click and watch it after this video. I'm using this because this both can make my hair little dry, so I'm using oil. You can use coconut oil or olive oil if you have, and then add water to make a fine paste. This is how the hair pack consistency should be. Don't make it very thick or thin. If you make it thick, you can't apply, and if you make it very thin, then it will fall all over your face. Make partition and then apply this hair pack. You can use a brush like this, or you can also apply it with your finger, or you can dip a cotton ball into it and apply it. Make partition and make sure that you apply it to the roots, to the scalp. That's the most important part. You must apply it to your scalp, and if you have extra, then you can apply it all over your hair. But the main important thing is that you must apply it to your roots so that it absorbed into your follicles and it gives the most benefit of this hair pack. Usually I apply this hair pack once in 15 days, but if you are experiencing severe hair fall, use this once a week. I'm very sure that first time of use itself you will see some result. Be very consistent, use it at least for 1 or 2 months, then you will see the result. What I'm talking about, your hair fall will surely reduce and you will see new hair growing. I apply this hair pack to my scalp, and then I apply normal oil to my hair length because it's very easy to wash it off, and secondly, all the nutrient goes into my scalp. If you want, you can apply this hair pack to your hair length also. After application, leave this for 2 to 3 hours and then wash it off with your regular shampoo or any herbal wash that you use. I usually wash it off with Sigakai. If you are using shampoo, make sure that you dilute the shampoo in water, like in 1:1 ratio, and then use it. Never apply direct shampoo to your scalp. After using this, it's your option to apply conditioner or not. I generally suggest that don't use conditioner because this itself will make your hair more shinier, softer, and make your hair voluminous. It's better to avoid conditioner, and it's better to stay away from chemical as much as possible. So try to avoid conditioner. You can also do a rice water rinse after this hair pack. I hope that you like this video. Please share this video with your friends, family, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. I see you next time. Take care. Bye guys.